Well, good day, my ladies and my gents. Today is a little bit of an oddball um, edition of What Did You Buy Wednesday with Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. Thanks for the idea, Joe. And today we're going to talk about storage and sorting. I discovered a while back after I'd had several 2-in-1, 3-in-1 kits that I got a lot of extra parts and I'm just taking them and tossing them into a box. Well, when you want to find or need to find a specific part, you scrounge around in your box and you scrounge around in your box and you finally get frustrated and you take it out and you set it over here and there it is after 45 minutes of looking. Now, why did I want it? Oh yeah, then you got to put everything back and put it back, So I discovered that I needed, especially after I started ordering a bunch of stuff from Josh at BCG Resins, I discovered I needed to sort stuff. I needed to find out what I had. So I wound up with several different iterations, and I thought I would show some ideas about what you can do. Oh, and what did I buy today? I went grocery shopping. I got me some lunch meat. Well, we're now going to take a look at the various ways that you can wind up with some kind of a storage where you can sort stuff. I've got some boxes here that came, I got a bunch of large size tubs that are kind of deep, but and had a whole bunch of smaller stuff in them, so I made use of them. And I've got things sorted like this box here is specifically for big truck parts, pickup parts, that kind of thing. This has got some seats in it, some of the resin seats that I've gotten. You go along and you've got some of the stuff for Josh in his various iterations has gotten different pie boxes or pizza boxes. Some are, the cardboard brown, some are white. I've run across several that have been black over time. Just kind of depends on what he gets when. But you can store stuff in here. Comes out real nice. Another one, that's just some other parts. Or you can get what amounts to tackle boxes. You go to Walmart and you go to the fishing section and you get some of these that they can make for like tackle boxes, like I said. Sort nuts and bolts. You can go to Walmart or hardware section, go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware. You want to get something to sort your nuts and bolts. You get something that's similar to this. Go to a quilt shop, Joann's Fabrics, a Hobby Lobby. You can get these types of things to put your various threads or doodads that you want to, sew onto things if, you're do that type of thing, or your wife, mother, whatever, was into quilting. My mom was into quilting for a long time till she lost the strength in her fingers to use the needle. But you can do that. I've got my interior, exterior parts, small block Chevy, General Chevy, my drive line, which is everything from the U-joint coming off of the transmission out to the rear end, out to the brake drums and brakes and so forth. I've got, here's my Chevy parts, Chevy engines. I've got one for flathead Fords. I got that one, Olds Rocket. If I want looking at a 30s, even up to a 50s pickup build for a Ford, and I want to put a flathead in it, I've got some flathead parts. I've got Ford parts, whatever is specific. I know I can just reach in that and grab, and I can find Ford specific parts, which includes the little windshield washer bags that go under the hood, Ford specific brake master cylinders. I got one here, and all it is Ford engines. You know, one here for just general underhood. That's your generic. I got a ton of air cleaners. But you get something like this, and these boxes here, if you get lunch meat for sandwiches, and like me, I can't have any of the sodium nitrate, sodium nitrite, colors, flavors, that kind of thing. Both Walmart and my local grocery store, H-E-B, down here in Texas, has these that don't have anything in them. And they're real nice because they come, some of the bigger tubs come with 2 packages in it. And I've got some that are smaller that has 1 in it, but these are for 2. And they're packaged in bags inside these. So you just get them, come home, take them out of the tub. I put my extras in the freezer, and then when I run out of one, I just grab another and thaw it out. But in the meantime, because they come in these nifty tubs that you don't even have to wash, well, I needed some more lunch meat today. So I went and I bought me a couple of packages. Now I have me a couple of new tubs to store stuff. Not only are they cheap, the meat's good too, by the way. But they're free tubs. How can you go wrong with free? That's what I bought today. Some new lunch meat. And I got a couple of tubs. So, well, there's my iteration today of What Did You Buy Wednesday? I bought some lunch meat. And I got some free totes to go in it. Free storage boxes. So, but yeah, this, like I said, Walmart, the local fabric shop, quilt shop, Hobby Lobby, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, Amazon, eBay, whatever, wherever. I would suggest using magic marker and masking tape for a label, because if you decide you want to change out, if something's gotten too small and another thing's just too big, you just take the label, peel it off, and put a new label on it. Masking tape is cheap, and it's real easy just to kind of switch things around if you need to. You find you need to switch things around. So keep this one short. I did that long one yesterday, and about 5 or 6 iterations trying to get it, and I couldn't get it below 45 minutes. So I talked enough yesterday, and I've talked enough today, and you've listened to this old man ramble for a while. So I'm gonna get busy on what I have planned today, and I'm gonna make me a boat trailer. You'll find out. So anyway, B-Tex signing out.